Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we're going to be doing a foundation haul. Hello. Okay, so if it is your first time watching, please subscribe, stay, don't go with the family. You're here, you might as well stay. Look around, I hope you like it. So for my return subscriber guys, thank you so much for coming back support me. I love you guys a bunch. Alright, so today's video is gonna be a foundation haul. I have a bunch of new foundation that I'm gonna share with you guys, and I'm gonna start with a foundation that I tried on my last video, and I did first impression for you guys, and I tried on and put to the test, and it was thumbs up. The reason why I want to include them in this video is because I really like them. I enjoy them a lot. The coverage is fabulous. It looks so beautiful on the skin, and I love that they are transfer free. That's huge, especially for eyes. I hate sometimes to put a clothes on, I'm gonna change and then foundation all over, or if I'm out with my husband and if I touch his shoulder or whatever, foundation his clothes, he's not happy about that, either am I. So this one is the CoverGirl True Blend Matte, and I got two shades. Actually I have three, but the reason I got two is because I like to mix them up and get my own shade, because girl, it's hard for me to get perfect shade. So I always get like a dark one and a lighter one, and I mix them up and make my own foundation. Yes. Alright, so I love them. Thank you CoverGirl so much. I love you guys for supporting me and include me on your team. I'm forever gonna be grateful for you guys and love you, because that's how I am. Alright, so the next foundation on this haul is gonna be this foundation here. This is Lorac Pore Perfection Foundation, and this foundation is oil free, paraffin free, fragrance free, and this one is SPF 20. So let's open this baby. Ooh, look how beautiful it looks, and that's how it looks. So I'm going to bump a little bit here so we can see it. Yeah, it's beautiful, very velvety. I'm gonna come close so you guys can see a little bit of the finish. The finish of the foundation is so beautiful, so smooth, and this is the foundation. Yeah, so I'm excited to try on this foundation. I will do a first impression for you guys one this day when we'll be doing like a look or something. Alright, so I have a wet towel here. I'm just going to wipe. Alright guys, so the next foundation on this foundation haul is gonna be this Touch of Eclair. I love the Touch of Eclair concealer. Love. So I was looking forward to try the foundation. Right? If the concealer is fabulous, the foundation has to be too. So this one is the Radiant Awakening Foundation. This one is SPF 22, which is good, and the way less luminous flowerless coverage. This one is in the shade Cool Honey. You know, I tried to pick the shade that I thought that would be closer for my skin tone. And this is the foundation here. So I'm gonna pump a little bit the same way I did with another one, yeah, so we can try. Oh, girl, this is so soft and smooth. Oh my gosh, I know I'm going to love this because I love the concealer. I'm touching the foundation, and here is the finish. You can see how beautiful and luminous look. I just look fabulous. Yeah, so I'm super excited to try this foundation too. It smells so good too. So I'm going to be doing also a first impression when we be doing like a makeup look, whatever. So it's gonna be the first time I tried. So one on this foundation haul is going to be this one. This one is the Marc & Jacobs Shameless Foundation, Youth Looking Long Wear Foundation. This one SPF 25. This one is medium, 350. Okay, so I open the wrong way. It's a little tiny for my liking, but whatever. It's 1.8 ounce fluid. So let's try a little bit. Smell good too. Ooh. It does have a beautiful finish. This is the foundation, this is the finish. Very light coverage. This is the shade. Yes, it is a beautiful coveraging, and we're also going to try this baby on in one of the videos. Okay, so this from Kevin Up One. This one is the Sensual Skin Fluid Foundation. Girl, stop it! Really, the name? So tiny. I'm gonna come be close so you guys can see. So here's the foundation, and this is the finish right here on the top. This one is in the shade. What shade are you? I don't know, maybe in the box has the shade. Yeah, but so that's the finish of the foundation. Well, I don't know what shade it is, but it looks like nice shade. And we also gonna be trying this in one of my videos soon. This is the second Touch of Eclair All In Glow. Stop it. SPF 23, Fat, Fresh, Dewy Makeup, Natural Medium Coverage, Long Lasting, Hydrating, Oil Free. That's something that I love. And this one is in Warm Honey. I think it's the same shade. Is that the one? No, this Cool Honey. So let's try this. Oh, this is a little tube like that. So, okay. A little bit here. The smell, it's fabulous. There's another one. Here you have the coverage. Right here, this is the red one. It smells fabulous. So yeah, I also gonna be trying this on with you guys soon. Clean my hands one more time. Alright, so this one, interesting. I even heard so much about this foundation, and I was looking forward to try, but shake well. Okay, so this one, NARS Cosmetics. So this one is a natural radiant long wear foundation from NARS. They tell you to shake well before you use it. So this one, you guys can see, is way too light for my skin, but the good thing is, when I found out that this one was too light for my skin, I tried to order another foundation that was darker so I can mix them up. And I was looking forward to try the Born This Way by Too Faced. But I even heard that it's, I don't know, a little, I'm gonna mix here. It's a little, how can I say, thick. I heard about this one. This one is in the shade Caramel. So I ain't gonna lie, guys, when I buy this foundation, I didn't thought it was this dark. And I'm come closer to show you guys the color that actually was. Foundation, right? When I ordered the shade Caramel, and this is the shade Caramel here that I thought that would match my skin. Look at the difference of this shade to the shade that they had advertising. It's ridiculous. This is definitely never Caramel. This is more like I don't know, a cappuccino or something like that. The NARS one it did was a little lighter, but so then I'd say, okay, I get this one Caramel. Maybe if it get too light, I can mix them up. Girl, stop it. This is never gonna Caramel. This is more like chocolate or coffee. So I love mixing foundation. So I just mix them up, and I found like a perfect shade. See? just looks perfect. Like, you see, that's how I love about the light and the darker foundation. So I mix them up and I get my perfect shade. So yeah, I'm looking forward to try this NAR foundation and the Born This Way, and I'm very disappointed that they advertise the color to be caramel and this color is too dark. It's never caramel. If the color was exactly caramel like they advertise it, that you guys saw in the box, this would fit my skin perfect, but it's a little too dark. But that's okay because I can mix them. You guys see the beautiful finishing. Yeah, so that's all, guys, for this foundation haul. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you enjoy, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, join the family, stay down low, you're already here, stay. Alright, so I see you guys next video. Bye.